Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the trunk light bulb in your Corolla IM or Scion IM. The only tools you will need here is either a small flathead or a trim tool and the replacement bulb of your choice. Alright, now let's get started. First, take your tool and get under the lens on the interior side of the car and pop it out. It may take some force, but it should come out. Once you have it out, press down on the tab in the back of the connection to release it. Now we will have to take off this gray cover for the light. There are two grab points you will need to release on the connection side and one on the other side. For the connection side, you will need to peel out and up these two arms. Then on the other side, just pull back on this tab and it should come right out. Now that you have the bulb exposed, be careful. It may be hot still, but you could avoid it if you just push down on the bent metal tab and drop the bulb straight out. If you're replacing the bulb with a halogen, you may want to use gloves so your hand oils don't create hot spots on it. And to put the bulb back in, I would put the bulb into the non-bendable side first, then slide it in on the other side. If you have an LED, just make sure that you face it towards the lens before you cover it back up. And to put the cover back on, just snap it back over the top. Easy as that. Then plug the wire back in, and lastly slide and snap the housing back into place. That's all there is to it. I hope that this video helped you, and thanks for watching.